Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Lila Web Dev. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the Node.js streams. Especially what we'll try to do is copy files using the streams and piping. So we will walk through the concepts like flow mode, memory usage, execution time, and also what really happening behind the scenes when you use the pipe method. So let's try to understand this one. So previously we have manually read the file using data event. So using this, what I want to say is using these all the things to write the stream. So previously we have did it using the data event and all those things, right? So when you try to use the write more, I will try to open that one. So here we will be having write more. Yeah. So this one we have used using the data event, and we have did this one all. Okay. And read mode also we have used the data event and like that. So that approach works, but requires us to handle memory pressure, back pressure, pause, resume logic. It gets complex. So when you are trying to write these all the things in the readable stream or something like that, so whatever the things we are trying to do, those all the things. So here we are concentrating on the drain event, end event, and also the data event. Everything we are taking care of that one all. So everything we are approaching this. So now let's simplify all of this using the Node.js built-in pipe method. So for this built-in pipe method, so what we need to do, let's try to do it. So here we have did this copy thing, right? So this entire thing we have used our own stream without using the Node.js streams. We have implemented the streaming architecture. So instead of using that one, we will use the Node.js streams, but we will use the pipe method. So I will comment out this entire thing. Okay. And here the same thing I will try to implement it, but this time using the Node.js streams and also that too pipe method. So here I can use something like the same thing, async. Okay, I will call the self method. So that's it. So now here first of all we will create a read stream. That is nothing but what I can say is, so constant read stream is equal to, so you can create it any like anything. So fs dot create read stream. Oh, we don't have an fs or what at the top. So we have an fs. Okay, it needs to have. So fine, let's try to create a source file. Constant source file is equal to, so that is nothing but what I can do it is await fs dot open, and I want to open the source file, that is nothing but test.txt. so let's say that test.txt, and I want to open it with a read mode. Same thing. So what we have did it here, where is this one? Yeah, I will try to open the source file, and also that's the destination file. Just I will try to copy and paste it here. Yeah, this is the thing I will try to do it. Fine. Now what I will try to do, so I will try to create a read stream. Constant read stream is equal to source file dot create read stream. So we have created a read stream, and constant write stream is equal to destination file dot create write stream. So now here we have created a read stream and also a write stream. So now instead of having the data event and all those things copying, so what you can do it is, you can just simply read stream dot pipe of write stream. That's it. So now you can call only with just one line, read stream dot pipe of write stream. Node handles all the heavy lifting for us: reading, writing, pausing, resuming, and also managing the back pressure. You can only call dot pipe on a readable stream. So you should call the pipe method only on a readable stream, and the destination must be writable. So this must be writable. If you accidentally try piping into a readable, it will throw an error. That is one thing. So now you can chain pipes too, but if you are doing that, the middle streams must be a duplex or transfer, because they act as both readable and writable. So here it should be, so what I can do is, so here you can have a duplex stream, something like that, dot pipe of duplex streams or something like that, you can use it. Okay, but here the middle must be act as a readable and writable. So this is something. So you can chain all the writable streams also, you can chain it. So that is what I am trying to say. So now let's try to run this one. Let's see that whether it will work fine or not. So now let's try to benchmark this one. So here I will try to do node copy.js. If you try to see, the file has been copied. If you try to see here, the test-copy and this one is one and the same only. So now let's try to do some benchmarking. Behind the scenes, the pipe listens. So we'll try to use the console.time, that one. So here I can use something like here I will start stream copy. Okay. So here I will start the stream copy, and when this one is writing is completed, so when the read stream is end, then I will try to end the stream copy. Fine. Let's try to run this one. So now it has taken around 40 milliseconds. Now if I try to make it as an big file, so which is a test-1 GB. Okay, source file is test-1 GB. Let's see how much time it will take. So if I try to run this one, let's see the activity manager also. So it will take some time to copy. So here if I search for the Node.js, it has taken only 6 seconds. So it has, let's try to take the node and try to run it again and see how much time it is taking, this activity manager. See, the Node.js is taking around 20 MB only. So that means the memory issue and all those things has been solved. So now it has taken only 4 seconds. If you try to see the here, so it is exactly the same bytes it is having. So we saw speeds of around 4 seconds or something, with memory usage around 20 to 30 MB, a huge improvement over the non-streamed approach. But sometimes the test timing was inaccurate. Why? Because we measured the time before. So sometimes we will be able to get it. That depends all entirely on the system. So how your system is performing, something like that. So now behind the scenes, what it will happen is the dot pipe listens to the data, writes to the destination, and pauses or resumes the stream automatically. We can observe the stream state using the readable flowing. For example, let's say that here you can have something like readable flowing. So we'll try to use this one. So readable flowing. So now here you will be having an what I am going to say is null. So now it has been started. So if I will try to do the readable flowing. So if you try to see here, now if I run this one, so here null, and also next it is a true. So that means the first time it is null. So that means the readable has not been started. So that's why it is doing readable flowing as null. When it is initially it is null, meaning the stream is idle, and after piping it switches to true, which means it is in the flowing mode. So calling unpipe detaches the writable stream and pauses the reading. So if you try to do the unpipe, so for example, let's say that here I have unpipe read, and I will try to check the what I mean to say is readable flowing. So here calling the unpipe method on the readable stream, so pauses the reading. If you repipe again, it resumes. So if you try to check it here, the output for this one, so here it has been unpiped, false. So now if you want to start it again, so you can use this one again. So here, and again you can console.log of this one, so that it again turns to true. So this is the thing which I would be trying to do it. So first one will be in the null state. Okay. So then I am starting the thing, it will be in the true state. Why? Because it will be in the readable flowing, and again I have unpiped it will be in the false, and the last again I have resumed it, so it will be in the true. So this is how it will be happening. So if you try to see the same thing, so null, true, false and true. So null, true, false and true. So the same thing has been happened. So that is the main thing. So these events are you. So here what I can say it is, so now, so you will often use the end to trigger the cleanup. So production consideration. One drawback of pipe in production is error handling. Errors on either stream won't be propagated unless you listen for them explicitly. So that means, so you need to listen for the read stream.on of error and write stream.on of error. So we need to write it and we need to handle the error manually. So you must manually destroy the both streams to avoid the memory leaks. So that is also one thing which you need to understand. So that's it guys about the stream piping concept, which I would try to explain you. So to recap, pipe simplifies the file copying, automatically handles the pause, resume and backpressure, chains with the transform and duplex streams, readable flowing shows the stream state, use events like pipe, unpipe and end like that. In production, handle errors manually. We should handle the errors manually. So now I hope that you have a solid understanding of piping with the Node.js streams. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe and leave a comment. And if you have got any questions or want more deep dives like this, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.